Have you ever had this problem when trying to launch Minecraft? It's very annoying, right? I'll show you guys how to fix that right now. What's going on, techs and games? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll show you guys how to fix this OpenGL file error thing that you get when you try to launch Minecraft from the T launcher. So first of all, you move to Chrome, and when you move to Chrome, I have already opened this website. Link in the description. You can go ahead and use that link, and you download this file. So it will download at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you wait for it to download. When it's done, you move to the downloaded file and you show in folder. So when you're in the folder, then you just move to the file and you right click and you extract the files. When you have finished extracting the files, you double click the one that just came out from that, and you would actually see 32-bit and 64-bit. Which one should you choose from? It depends on your system. So if you want to know how to find which one is suitable for your system, you move to the search bar and you type in system, and you will see system information. You click to open the application or whatever, then you would see this page or this window, and if you move down here, you see system type, I think 64-bit PC. I think that's it, right? Yeah. Then you close it. So I'm using 64-bit as you saw, so I'll double click that one, then I would copy this. So I'll just move to copy and I'm done. Okay, so the next step, you move to the PC or the main file menu, then you would move to local disk C, and you move to program files. After program files, you move to Java, and after Java you see this JRE, then you just double click, and the last thing is you move to bin. And after you have moved to the bin folder, you would right click, then you paste the copied file here, or copied folder, I don't know what I should call it. So what you just copied, you paste it here. I won't do that because I have already done that, and I don't want to count anything I have done already. Yeah, because I had this problem. So this is how to fix that error kind of OpenGL thing you find when trying to launch Minecraft from the original T launcher thing. This is the one I used to launch my Minecraft. So that's how to fix it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you. If it did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more